Winding bobbin on this Kenmore 84. 2 spool pins go out to our winding tensioner, around clockwise over to the bobbin here. Push this in to engage the winder, loosen the nut on the end of the hand wheel. Threading the Model 84 here. Got 2 spool pins on top, a thread guide on the back of the top of the machine, thread guide on the front of the top of the machine. I'm going to go out and around the tensioner. I have to bring the thread up behind the spring here, then under this finger, and go through the take-up arm. From the take-up arm there is a pigtail guide next to the tensioner, and a pigtail guide in the bottom front of the door, and a pigtail guide on the needle bar clamp. And then our needle is going to thread from the outside to the inside. The class 15 bobbin, so load the bobbin to unroll clockwise, pull into the gap and around under the spring next to the finger. This is side loading, so just slips into the side there, snaps in place, and then rotate and draw our thread up.